I will not be duped by this. Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of the vlog. I am going to make some sensory toys, all in like Christmas themes for Leo. So I want to show you some of the stuff that I got. Pretty much all of this stuff came from the dollar store, and I've been having a lot of fun making just different things that he can play with that kind of jog his senses and show him new fun things about the world. So here's what I've got. Okay, so first up I've got this glitter. They have lots of cool craft supplies, but it's usually seasonal. I got some vitamin E oil because things move a little bit more slowly through oil, so I thought that would be fun. Hi, Sam. These little snow globes I thought were awesome. This I actually just found in my stash, some aloe vera gel. I've got a plan for that. I'm super excited about these jingle bells and some confetti glitter. I like this stuff if you ever find it because it's hollow. It's like little tiny tubes, and so air gets trapped in there if you put it in water and it floats at different heights. It's super cool. I have some glittery pom-poms, a couple trees that I found at the dollar spot at Target actually. They had fake snow, which I thought was perfect for this, and huge pieces of garland. This one is really fun. I'll see if I can find a video for you. I have it on his car seat, and then I've also got it on his little swing. So yeah, let's see what we can make. And of course I've got a hot glue gun ready to go.
You know how it feels. You know how it feels. You know how it feels. You know how it feels.
So much for trying to make a cute video, you guys. I am making an enormous mess. This foam snow is so hard to work with. Just a little warning for you all. I did not, it's like, I don't know, it's very hard to control, and it moves when you breathe and goes everywhere. This is a nightmare. I mean, obviously I'm just going to be able to vacuum it up, but if you don't like messes, don't get this stuff. This is terrible. Okay, here we go. Money moment. So I'm going to pour the water in. I'm really hopeful about it though. Do I need more snow? Should I keep going? Should I try to get all this snow in here? I feel like maybe so. Yeah. Okay. I'm kind of in a rush though because the baby's playing. Can you hear him? All right, so the trick I feel like with a good snow globe is for them to never have like a lot of air at the top, which is of course kind of hard to control, but oh, I think I filled it too much. Great. DIY struggles. Trial and error, right? I think it's sealed. Well, that looks like a major fail. Does it need more water? I think it needs more water. What? I mean, some of it works. Okay, so it's the snow stuff that I don't like. The glitter works. The snow stuff doesn't work. The snow stuff has to go. I will not be duped by this. Look at that. That's terrible. It's like chunky. Okay. Hang on. He's hungry? Okay. Let's just do glitter. Gotta go feed the baby. White glitter it is. Alright, not too bad. Look! You see it? Wow. It's snowing in there. We did okay. We just made a big mess. Wanna see? Wow! Is it snowing in there? You like it! Look at that smile! You like that? Mommy's imperfect snow globe is just fine with you. Let's go eat. Say hi, friends. I'm tired. You kicking? Look at those feet go. Gonna show me your kicky skills? No? I am tired. you tired? Yeah. Are you tired? Okay, I'm gonna play while mommy makes something. Alright guys, so I have also seen where people take a plastic bag and they put different stuff like this in with gel and seal it off with tape, and it's just like a fun thing to smush, so I'm gonna try that. So I just wanted to show you, I'm taping it like past it, and then I'm gonna go through and cut it. You about ready to play with this, or for me to be done? You like it? What do you think? You want to touch? What do you think? Ooh. Is that fascinating? What? Now you're looking at yourself. Say, looking at me. I'm back. He's asleep. I want to do 2 more, hopefully. One is just putting this stuff, like I told you, he likes to play with it, but in a snow globe with some water, because I think seeing it through the water will make it look really magical. And then the other one, I have a hot glue gun heating up again, is gonna be putting the jingle bells on this piece of jute and tying it to his swing so he can knock it around and make the jingle bells jingle. So all of these ideas are super duper simple. I think he's really gonna enjoy the aloe vera gel and pom-poms, even though my other one of these snow globes kind of was a fail, if you ask me. He seemed pretty interested in it. I just felt like it didn't look as cool as I wanted it to. So anyway, let me go fill this up with water and seal it off, and that'll be that. And see, it's just pretty. Like, all these things are really just interesting to look at. When you're little like him, you can't really do much, but you can look at stuff, and I think anything that fills me with wonder is wonderful. So let's try this one. Okay, so one tip, I am finding that if I overfill it and then use the plug, there's like this little stopper that you push in there to push out the rest of the excess water, I do get less air. So that's good. I can help you with that part. Oh yeah, this looks so cool. And then I'm just gonna screw this guy on. I could have bought a couple of other things, but decided not to. Okay, yeah, I think this one is very fun to look at. He's gonna like that, and it stays cool. You know, it kind of swirls around. The only thing I'm nervous about is I felt like maybe I should use oil, like a clear oil, because garland actually has a metal wire in it, so I'm not sure if the metal is gonna oxidize and rust over time, but we'll see. It's gonna look good for now, and yeah, kind of moves around. While I'm thinking about it and waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up, let me get my tea. So if you guys have already seen, I'm having to prioritize tasks, so dishes not yet. If you guys have already seen, I made this little tea advent calendar, and it has been so fun. I'm just using a little jar to collect the bags so I don't lose them. I'm very excited about using this another year. So and a friend of mine, Carissa, was saying that she's thought about making one with the names of God, which I think is a brilliant idea. Today's the 5th. These little burlap sacks. Ooh, I don't know what that's gonna be. Came from the dollar spot, so I'm gonna put this in and see what we've got. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna settle on. I just glued it to either side. This side has a knot, and then this side is just the string, and just smash the bells together. This is really not fancy, but I'm just thinking it's gonna optimize the jingling potential. So yeah, that's what we've got. I could have taken the time to thread it, but I felt like if I threaded it, that wouldn't be quite as good as gluing it. It wouldn't be quite as secure. I don't know, we'll see about that, but I'm gonna tie this to his chair and I'll show you him playing with it later. See it. All right. Do you see that? Yeah. Oh! Jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. That's what those are. What do you think? You like? You're not sure? You jingle. What do you think? Oh. Yeah, Mommy did that. So the tea was a lavender chamomile. This mug I got from Walmart. It has like a gold, see the gold handle, and I love it so much. Super, super fun. They have a ton of different styles of them. Thank you so much for watching and joining us for another of our weekly winter vlogmases. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas season, and I will see you soon.
You know how it feels. You know how it feels.